All right. Um. Yeah, I am back. However, hopefully I have the playlist correct. What I mean with that is the music. Yeah, some problems with the music, as not everything is DMCA. So we got some like tunes in the background just to listen to. Should be good, to be honest. I guess I'm still not ready. I mean, it's been a while that I've been doing some streaming. Oh, and I forgot to log into things, and Jesus, I am still not ready. Give me a second. I'll be right there. I always forget these things. And of course I have to log in. And of course I have a huge ass password. Ah. Damn it. Damn it. Un momento, por favor. You can also learn a different language. I'm actually thinking of like learning Russian. Better. Trying to find just to go to school for it or something. I think so. Alright. Need to find my password. Give me a second. Because I forgot to log in into my dashboard. Da-da-da. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Found it. And I think I'm writing it not correctly. Nope, I do. Oh my gosh, I forgot something else. Alright, I need to log in into my email address. Give me a second. There we go. I got my code right here. Alright. Done. Finally. Hopefully that should work. Normally I stream also in Dutch, right? And that's actually much easier, to be honest. All right. Building like I said, I'm building actually a project as well, which is called Disco Hook. I thought it was really funny, just having Discord, writing in a Go, and it's hooking into Discord. Disco Hook. Yeah. Funny with words. So the thing is that you have the CTF time. I want to have all this information being put into Discord, or that is the idea, and hopefully that will work. But I stumble upon a little problem. Got a little framework in Go, because the idea is to write everything in a language that can compile on every operating system, and use crontab or scheduled whatever it's called in Windows, just to execute it every hour or so on, or depending on whatever. For example, well, I would say CTF time would do every hour just to check it and see if I have the messages or not. For other websites, maybe every 15 minutes, and one of like security websites to check it out. I thought like maybe it will be cool just to have like one program that can do this, make it dynamic in such a way that I just can like send a shell script to the program to run a particular thing, webhook it to my Discord, and done. So yeah, that was the idea. And the problem that I have right now is that I get a 403 forbidden back, which sucks as hell. But how does it look like? It's just like a framework, a quick framework. It's been a year or something that I had like used Go. It's been a while. So I got the Disco hook right here, which is the main of the program. Yeah. So it's gonna execute what is here in CMD. So you got root here, executed. It has all the functionality of the bot because I'm actually using Cobra for how do you call that? For getting the parameters. So it should make it much more easier. And then on the fly, I just create these little things, right? So basically like, oh, grab this. So how does it look like? It's pretty simple. Like you have the Disco hook right here. It says Disco hook like help. Like, oh yeah, how the fuck does it work? Like, okay, help. You got the Disco hook, you got your command flags and completion. Actually, this is something that they put into. This is new for me that they put into. But having completion, that's pretty fun to have, to be honest. I should like check that out. But yeah, the only thing what I need is like, okay, well, CTF time. And then when you put in CTF time, you're like, oh, I got more help. And then you got the Disco hook, CTF time, and flags. Nah, I don't think I need any flags. I just like put a flag in here just to be whatever. And you can put in your flags and you get a 403 back, which is kind of annoying because I don't think that I'm doing anything wrong. Maybe I should like give it some headers. It looks like, oh, you're parsing something for my website. I'm just giving you a 403 back. It's really funny when you as a Dutch guy, we say 3 differently. Some sounds a lot of like tree, like 1, 2, 3. No, it's anyway. I've noticed that the Americans always like have the their tongue between their teeth. Yeah. I have to figure this out. The other thing that I need is actually a system to write my documents. I really need that. I actually got it already on here. In a Docker container. I actually kind of love Docker container. I think I will use a virtual machine. This is like a huge mindfuck, of course. I use a virtual machine. I install Debian. Over that, I will install Docker and run everything out of Docker from that virtual machine. And why am I not doing this on this machine? Well, technically, this machine is my computer, as my gaming computer. Basically, only thing where I have it for is gaming, and streaming. But I guess I will just do that. Yeah. And why do I need like reporting system? Well, I kind of enjoy this one little thing, which is called U-Track. It's easier for me to manage all the notes, and on my way of learning to do things, I'm like, okay, we can do this. So, all right. All right. Let's see. What I need is Debian. I need an ISO of Debian. See if I don't have anything in my documents. Of course, I have a lot of pictures in my documents. Okay, this one can go. This one can go. This one can go. It's just like simple as delete. and I have all the pictures for my stream, which is pretty amazing. Like this. All right, Debian. I gotta love Debian. This is a net install. Oh, that was quick. Jesus, you just click on download and it's like, here you go. You got it. Thank you for downloading Debian. Or Debian. Or how you pronounce it. I am actually wondering if the sound works. I think so. Yeah, the sound works. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. That should be downloaded by now, I think. It's not that big. It's like, what is it, like 200 megs or something? Let me double check that. Boop, boop. No. Almost 400. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. We need a new virtual machine. Alright. We need a disk image, which is my download folder. Okay. I will install the operating. No. No. Okay. Call it utrek. Yeah, I guess I'd just call it utrek. The funny thing is like Jira was like utrek feels like the old Jira, or utrek feels like the old Jira. All right, got that. Put it on here. Maximum disk size. Well, who cares? Give it 250 gigs because I can. Well, do you want to split it in multiple files? Splitting makes it easier for virtual machines to other computers, but maybe reduce the performance with very large disk. Yeah, I don't want that. I just want to have it in a single file. Customize. Yeah, of course I want to customize a little bit. I guess I don't need to. But let's give it like 4 gigs or something. Beep, 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 beep. All right, 4 gigs. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Sometimes I have this thing that I am actually having these strange voices. Well, that is actually because I'm also role-playing from time to time. Number of processes 1, number of process core. Let's do 2. Need that. I don't need any USB. I do not need any of that. I don't need a printer. And this is fine. All right. Got that set up. Perfect. Oh gee. How gee. Just install. I mean, basically never use the graphical interface. Okay, English. Of course, other. Let's go for European. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. All right, Netherlands. Got that. To the United States. Of course, the keyboard is always American English. I'm somewhat digging this music, but then I'm like, that is a lot of Okay, next. If I want to listen to something, it should be like nice and quiet. Okay, host name. What am I gonna just call it report? All right, got that. Gonna make my uber awesome password, which is not that long. To be honest, it's just one key. Because why not, right? Full name of the new user. That's me. That's me too. Oh. Yeah, you might think this is all like already like an issue, like a security issue. Like, why the hell if you have like one password and you wanted to encrypt it? Oh, yeah. It's not that I put into, well, I put some data in there, but not that important for others. Well, technically all data is important. Yeah, let's do this. Finish, write to disk, yes. I believe it's gonna ask me to fill in some applications or something. Or that's what it wants. Learning every day. I am pretty cold, to be honest. Ba-da-bum. Oh. That is why. Nice. All right. Scan extra installation mean no. Yeah, just use the Netherlands. Use yeah, Debian is fine. Continue. All right. The install game has begun. Do. No, I don't want to participate a survey. All right. The other thing that I pretty much like is the mate. It's such a clean, nice desktop. I don't want to have GNOME. Just give me mate. I don't want that. I don't need anything of flashy stuff. Just give me a normal browser. And the standard. Yep. That's about it. Is that true? Is more? No, this is it. Oh, wait a minute. I think I might get into a problem. Huh. We'll see in a second. Bum. Actually, while this is going, oh wait, there you go. There's my. You go back to dev. I'm actually wondering why this is actually giving me crap. Which I was like trying to figure it out using this, like, okay, your first Golang REST API. I don't do everything what's set in here, being set. I get the URL, okay, and then it gives me an error 403. Instead of getting this particular error, I was like, well, you know, give me that. I was like, you know, well, I understand the error, but it's better for me. It's like, okay, I have the status code. If it's smaller than status code, okay. So status is okay is 200. You have the status code and bad request. If anything between that, before the 200, after 200, return this this error back. So which basically gives me a 403. Go build. Done that. See? And I have no clue why it does that. Because if I just go to their website and I do the events, I just get the message. So API simple, blah blah, provide. You cannot use the API to run CTF clones. Most CTF time date moderated by human. Please respect their time. Right. Are you able to do expose write-up API? Oh, that would be great if that is in there or not. But I have no clue. Would it be possible to get events or a given team? Specific information about teams, team result. I actually think that it is sending. Cannot really check that, right? What I am sending. Technically, this is just an API, so it should be like really easy to get, which I do not understand. Okay, I get that. Golang. Wait. HTTP get. HTTP get. Send browser header. Is that it? How to send set headers? Okay, perfect. You love Stack Overflow. This is where most of the people get their information from. All right. Do you install on a permanent drive? Yes, I do. And it would ask me like which disk I do want to put it on. I'll put it on the first disk. And while I was doing that, I need to go quickly to the make use of the restroom. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and back to ramble again. Installation is complete. Perfect. Let's go. Oh, That looks like a nice... I know. Oh. What the? Holy crap. Okay. I have never seen this before. This is new. This looks fancy. Huh, it is made. What? Okay. This is interesting. Hmm. What's that one called? Oh, never mind. Oh. Yes, I use Nano. I'm not as elite as most of people using Vim. I can do it. That's not a big deal. But Nano is so much easier for just quick things, like doing quick things. Like, I should really remember all the commands on top of my head. Okay, maybe that's another thing that I need to do. But my main goal, of course, is this year, like, reverse engineering really good. Sudo. Okay, there we go. I believe it's allow members of... Well, I think it's just Nick. There you go. All is... All... Exit. There we go. I did it. I managed to get into my... Never mind. I just like do things. Got that. Okay. Get update. Dist upgrade. Oh, it's already been updated. Okay. Of course, it's download from the internet. Oh crap! Y'all could not see this. Damn it! Damn it! All right, let's try this again. What I just did was pretty simple. It messaged me that I wasn't able to get sudo rights because I am not part of the whatever local system administrator thing. Just to do that, it's pretty simple. You just go to sudo's file. And you add yourself. Actually, you add your username to the user privilege specification, and that's it. That's all you have to do to add yourself. Like I said, I can use the almighty Vi and start like editing things or whatever. But as you can see, wait, what? Warning. Changing a read-only file. Okay, that's weird. No. Jesus. Okay. I suck at Phi. I see a lot of people like going so fast with Phi or Phi or however you call or pronounce it. People are amazing. People are amazing. And while I said that, it's getting pretty cold in here, so I'll just turn on. Yes, I just turn on my heater. Right, got that. Everything. Oh, wait. Install is finished. Perfect. Does this mean it actually came already? Wait, is that true? Huh. Look at that. What the? That is new. Huh. Wait, do I don't need to like install Anything? SSH, snapshot, screen management. Wait, can I just like put a file in here like really quickly? Oh, damn it. That's new. Or for me, it's new. I've never seen that. Huh. Empty trash. That is so interesting that I actually already installed the VMware tools. Huh. I am actually trying to find the VMware tools, but clone message, no. Huh. Interesting. I never knew. Alright, what was that one called again? What was it called again? Different, well, I never got. Linux terminals. Nope. 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 Terminator. Of course it's Terminator. Alright. apt-get install Terminator. Yes. Apt-get install Mozo, I believe. That was it called. Mozo. There we go. Now I can actually, with this tool, which is pretty funny to be honest, I can edit this quickly, which else I should have done it by hand, but nope. Just click and grab and delete whatever I want. Alright, got that. Alright, now it is going over to, well, technically it is my favorite terminal, to be honest, the Terminator. What I like so much about it is just like having split screens and everything and work like that. But that's just me. Okay. I need to install Docker. And the question is, how did I do that again? It's been a while that I installed Docker on a Linux system. Oh, nice. This looks fancy. Okay. First we go to google.com. Yes. Docker install, no, not Ubuntu, Debian. YouTube. All right. Install Docker engine on Debian. Okay. Wait. Oh, is this Debian 11? Oh, then I really need to like update my laptop. That is really true. Huh. Okay. All right, older versions, no, I don't need that. So, installation method. Most users set up Docker repositories and install from them easy, blah, blah, upgrade. Some download the dep, install it manually. Okay, we can do that as well. This uses situations such as installing Docker air grab with no access to the internet. Okay. In testing development environment, some users choose the convene script to install Docker. It's currently approached for Raspberry Pi. Nice. Never knew that. Okay, setting up repositories. I think we're gonna do that. Repositories is easy. It's really security friendly. But no, it's basically it's just easy. That's about it. So we're gonna basically copy paste this, press enter, put in my password, ask me to install. Yes, okay, fine, got that. Of course I need to add the GPG. Okay, got that. Perfect. And technically, the entire industry is nothing more than just like following manuals. Got that. Okay. Use the common following command to stable repository. To add the nightly repository, add nightly or test. Nah, I just want to have stable. Just want to have stable. Because the stable it is, the better it is. Okay, got that. And now I finally can install Docker. So copy this, paste that. The music is better than yesterday. So it depends. It really depends because I'm actually having Steam Beats by Harris Heller, which allows me to use free DMCA music, just to have some little bit of a background noise, right? Yeah, it's called Stream Beats. Stream Beats by Harris Heller. Also, he has a lot of problems with stuff. The reason why I'm doing this is that with my other stream, I've noticed that if I want to upload my stuff to YouTube, I get a lot of crap. I get a lot of crap from them. It's like, hey, you're using something that is not your music, or using something that is not yours, or you're watching a YouTube video that is not yours. And I'm like, okay, but how the hell, like, if I want to like do something and learn something from it and whatever, like, what kind of crap do I get? But hey, it works. I love it. So it's playing a huge list. I put it on repeat and so on. All right, got that done. So I got my Docker. Now I need to install the entire Docker shizzle. Okay. Of course, I'm not root. Yes. Yeah, DMCA is a pain. It's a really a huge pain, and like why I have this stream is like pretty easy. I want to like learn things, and hopefully other people will learn from it as well. But yeah, just follow my pain. And if I have like a YouTube video that is like muted or whatsoever, that doesn't really work. If you like look like if I look back at my streams and everything. And of course, I'm not editing anything because first of all, editing, not my thing, and I'm not as fancy as a lot of people on YouTube. Let me see. Okay, I got that. Okay. To install a specific version of Docker, nope, I don't need that. Upgrade Docker engine, yeah, that's okay. Install from a package, nope. Install, nope. Okay, I believe I am done. So if I'm correct, Docker should work. Yes. While that is working, I need to install my good old friend Utrecht Docker. Docker installation from JetBrains. Do. Wait, what? Cookies and IP address. Oh my gosh, I'm going to my street and like my role-playing voice. I love doing it sometimes. Yeah, DMCA. It's a pain for everything, and I want people to feel my pain. Things that I go through. All right. Got this. Oh, need this back. I just do not know which version is out there yet. And the latest version is... Nope, not that one. 2008? Nah, that's not true. Get it from the Docker Hub. I'm gonna lurk for a bit. I'll listen to your holy voice. My holy voice. Jeez. If you put if you do what's this called? You can actually do this. It's a nice lurk button, and the bot should have returned something back, but I guess it doesn't work. Just my luck. Just my luck. Oh well. Doesn't matter. Latest version is this one, and it came out when? 8 days ago. Oh, that's not so long ago. Perfect. Boop, boop. Yeah, I guess the bot isn't working. And I really did my best to put it in there. I should also do like the same thing with Discord, but hopefully that works. Yeah. Cool. Oh, what? Permission denied while trying to connect with the Docker daemon. Oh, I guess I need to do it in this way. But yeah, of course I will just like talk as much, like I have like hundreds of people just watching my stream. While it's just one guy, one man to rule it all. You got my full attention. What is this? I just got like a message, like someone's like putting up detected easy. All right, got that downloaded. Let's go. Of course, I need to create directories. I remembered that, so let's do that. Let's put them in documents. Let's do this. Let's call it research. Why not, right? And I need to data folder. I need a backup folder. And config. I need to create a logs. And I need to create a backup. Or actually, it is backups. Done. I need to double check every directory. Yeah, that's true. Oh, yeah, true. All right. Research. Actually, let's say learn every day. Now, that kind of sucks. Just call it LE. All right, LE stands for learn every day. Siege own minus R. Is that true? Okay. Backups, conf, data, and logs. Changing ownership is not permitted. Why am I not doing this? Oh, now I cannot. Right. Not readable. Okay. The only thing, like double check this, etc passwords. Crap. Oh, wait. Oh, interesting. It's not even in there. I guess it will fix it. Okay. Sudo. You have sudo ch own root mod. 750. And that is basically all the backups, conf, data, and logs. So that actually already removed a couple of executable, as you can see, and read. So basically I have no read access anymore. Securing the files. Securing the files. Okay, got that. Yeah, I need to grab this one. Okay. I do not have Sublime installed. Unlucky me, but doesn't matter. Actually, it does. Because if I have some data that I want to parse quickly, Sublime is my friend. Sublime install Debian. Sublime text. And I want to have it for an apt. And there we go. Copy, paste. Yes, let's put it in here. Done that, perfect. I need to install this as well. And I want to add this stable version. Okay, perfect. So the only thing that I need to do right now is just to install this. And then I'm done. Thank you. Copy this. Is it already installed? I think so. There we go. Got it. All right, makes it a little bit easier than using the notepad. Do I have anything else here? Nope, that's perfect. So, going back to the version that I installed. That was the latest from 8 days ago. Yeah. Version right here. Pop up. Then I need to do this. Copy. Why am I... You installed Sublime. Are you putting it into close without saving? There we go. Much easier. So copy this. My path to my directory here. Slash data. Slash conf. And this is slash logs. And the last one is backups. Slash backups. I will put it on 8080 as well. And crap, don't have that on. Numlog is on. Oh crap. And I'm gonna call this learn every day. Hopefully this should work. Paste, enter. Denied. Connect to the Docker because I am not in root. There you go. Oh, that was quick. I back to my browser. 127.0.0.1 8080. My token should be here. There you go. Copy, paste, login. Wait, what? Because I did not completely copy it. Login. There you go. Set it up. Yeah, that's fine. We do it in English because everything should be in English. Next, admin. That's no, I don't want to have a huge ass password. Oh, that's fine as well. So, question is, should I make it so that every time my computer restarts, it automatically starts my... I can do that. There we go. It is working. It has all the agile boards. Okay. Delete the demo. Done. So, the first thing we're gonna call it is malware, because the idea is, as soon as if I have like learned everything on reverse engineering and I'll be really good at it, or people recognize that I'm good at it, that I'm gonna do malware reverse engineering on my on my gaming computer. Yep. I'll just do it. So, got that. I need another project, which is called CTF, because the idea is that I will do CTFs as well. Even though I suck at it, I'm gonna do it and learn from it. I'm gonna learn, and we're gonna read some papers and whatever. I got that. I got my CTF, got my malware. What did I put in here, by the way? Click. Oh, I guess I need to turn that one on. There we go, Docker. I thought it'd be really smart to put it on the development server, but then I realized, like, I revert my computer a lot, or revert like, hey, something got messed up, revert it, and done. 127. Oh, that is not correct. It's warming up. Perfect. Me too. Because I am cold. There we go. I've got to turn on my heater. Well, that is working. I believe that if I turn this one off, this is off as well. Perfect. So Docker, my PSA. Oh. I need my container ID. So go Docker run Oh, what the actual crap. Unable to find image. What? Start? Yeah, it was start. There we go. Always forget that it is start and not run. So I got my projects here. Oh yeah, code and crack me's. Code and crack me's. So I'll add that as well. JetBrain is warming up. Just wait a minute. We'll be right there. No worries. Just take your time. So create a new project, which is Crack Me. Crack Me if you can. And something with code. So these are the projects that I'm gonna focus on this year. Can remove this, double checking. Wait, go back. Jeez. Yeah, that all works. Perfect. I kind of dig the new mate. I like the background, and I amazed how easy this is. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if you have seen it, but GitHub has a new login page, and I love it. I really love it. The way how they made it, it likes like it's a login page that looks from the future or something. Really, really well done. Right, as soon as I am gonna open Firefox, this page actually needs to pop up. Where do I put that? Where do I put that? Search? No, I don't think it's in search. Technically it doesn't need internet as well, so I can turn that off as well. Yeah, it's currently my browser, but I need to figure out where the setting is to make sure that it actually, wait, is it here? Custom URLs. Oh, okay, that's easy. Directly to the projects. Is that, yeah, let's do that. Okay. If I'm right, every time, close tab, it should go to my, oh hell yeah. All right, I'm done. So I got a new thing going on, which I call Project Disco Hook, which is gonna be my go. You know what? I'll just put something like this here. Go. And I'll put this in here as well, because I got a couple of references, which is interesting. Yeah, U-Track here. And just create. Give me classic. Oh shit, I didn't want classic. Crap. And this isn't correct either. That sucks. And appearance is dark, because I love to be dark. Open this. Perfect. Now let's change this a little bit. Done, 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 done. And I forgot. Okay, next song, because I don't like this song. me something that's like chill to listen, not to like. Jeez. Okay, so that. Done. Okay. And save. There is actually one other thing that I think it will be really funny to put it on this system. Which is called GIMP. And oh, it's already on there. Perfect. Gotta love me some GIMP. I'm gonna make some really cheesy. Damn, this is fast for just like a little bit of stuff that I put in here. The hell? It just has 4 gigabytes and two processors. Oh, actually, it has 1 processor, but it has 2 cores. That's what I put in. And Jesus, learn from it, Windows. Learn from it. All right, you. Sure. So I'm gonna like put the project in here, so it's a disco hook. I should like get myself like a pen or something. I should do that. Buy one. Okay. I thought this was like the same as like Photoshop. Yeah. Okay, I can do this. That's fine. Oh, I can draw things. Nice. Project disco hook. And we got got something round here. We got something round here. And we got something which looks like a disco ball. Maybe I should like get a disco ball hook. Disco ball. And it's all in Dutch, so bear with me. I need a very cool disco ball thing. Jesus, okay, I don't like this sound either. So it's gonna be next. Oh, that's also interesting. My bot is not... All my bots are not working. Holy crap. I thought I did it. I thought I made it, but I guess not. Okay. Yeah, okay. Copy image. Let's go back to my project right here, and then a disco ball here. Move it here. So what else can we put in here? Oh, we can like Discord logo. Okay, we need to find a Discord logo. I'll just grab this one, okay? And then I say copy image, and I say put it on here. Nice. Do I need to this one here? There you go. And I need CTF time logo. CTF. Well, actually, internet logo. Let's see if I have an internet logo here. Yes, we have an internet logo. Perfect. We have an internet logo. It's the best browser in the entire world. Okay, copy image. Done. Have it. Like we say in Dutch. Don't mention it. Wait. Go away quickly. I'll just delete this. Can it be bigger? Oh, here, size. Size matters, as you can see. The bigger it is, the better. Okay. So we got Project Disco Hook. It connects things from the internet. I need a... Jesus. Need it that big? Okay, project. What the... What the... Wait. Why are you not painting? Why are you not painting? I didn't pay you to do this. Oh, because I'm still in the object. Is it like Control D? Or Alt D, Shift D? How do I deselect? Like this. Perfect. Never mind. I'll just like... Disco Hook. Okay. And then it goes to webhook, like here. This is the best explained thing I have ever done in my entire life. This is what I'm gonna build. It grabs stuff from the internet, which is called API logo. Is that a thing? Okay, that seems like a thing. I say copy image. I'll make this whatever. Can I make it smaller? If I click on all kinds of things? No. How do you make things smaller in? Oh man. Just when I want to like do something really funny, it doesn't work. Image shrink wrap. What's shrink wrap? Oh. Image transform. I guess it's canvas size then. Oh no, that's not. I want this little thing. I just want to make it smaller. Okay. We're gonna learn something today. How to make things smaller in GIMP. Selected things, actually. How to reduce the size of an image? Nope. How to make selected smaller. I guess selection smaller. Quick size in selection. Once you have made your selection, switch to the scale tool. In the options panel, find the transform section icon. Wait, is that it? Switch. I need to switch. Rectangle, crop, warp, text, path, clone, erase, paintbrush. There is no switch. Oh my gosh. It's making me... Let's maybe... Wait, is this? Switch. Flip perspective. Scale. Oh, nice. Okay, that's what I wanted. Like, make it really small. And copy this. Like, this is the API. I learned something today. It's not what I wanted, but hey, it's something. And now I'm looking for webhook picture. Hopefully it doesn't show me anything in my screen that makes me want to go scream. Like things that I'm like, oops, that shouldn't be on stream. There's a lot of things going. Okay, maybe I can just like fish hook. Yes, this is it. This is my picture for today. Copy image. So now this will exactly explain what I'm doing. And I've learned something right here. Make it smaller. There you go. This is art. This is like the best thing I have ever done in my entire life. There we go. And this must be better. Okay, where's this thing called again? Eraser. I wanted to say gum, but that's how we say it in Dutch. Got that. And this should explain everything that I am trying to do with this project. Like if someone looks at this, they'd be like, oh, so you got a internet browser, or you have the internet, as a lot of people call this the internet, and you want to move it to that. And this is my program. Disco hook. Okay. Best thing ever. Got this. Copy this. And hopefully I can just like put it in here really quickly. Edit. Hopefully. Let's see if this works. Oh, it works. Nice. I'm so freaking proud of myself. All right. I don't need to see this actually. Why can I not? Oh, wait. Why is this not like... Go away. Go away. I don't need you. High tips. There you go. If you want to review this tip later, here's an option where you can... Okay, now fine. Project Disco Hook. So, but it has a couple things to do. So build a client app that can parse the REST API, which is the first thing that I am doing. And I'm trying to make it smart so I can put more things in there than like only like CTF time or whatsoever. Use the programming language, okay, which I'm using Go. Jesus. Not every song is really cool. Make a command line tool, which I'm doing as well. Make sure there's no duplications before posting on Discord webhook. That's what I need to do. So keep the records in SQLite or in plain text. And use cron tab or schedule tasks for Windows. All right. Jesus, what a lot of crappy... Let's see if I can find something else. All right. I think I found something else. Actually, this one needs to be on top. So the U track. Of course, I'm playing with my music. Find something that is pretty nice to listen to. The Calm of Winter. Okay. The sound of that looks, yeah, perfect. All right, here we go again. Okay, so it is actually as easy as this. Oh yeah, for if you're just joining the stream, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm doing. So I made the framework in some sort. I'm using I am actually using Cobra, which is a framework for allowing me to put arguments into my code, so that I do not have to write it myself. It is somewhat pretty easy to use. It's been a while also that I've been using Go, which is like over a year ago, just to test it out and see if I can do it, and I pretty much enjoy it. Yeah, that is it actually. So yeah, so what I do is like discohook.go, that's my main program, right? How do you do that? Oh, it's pretty simple. Just like you init, and then it automatically like knows that, oh, so this is my package Go, because I put package main in there. So Go will know that this is actually my main program. How to do that? You know what? I can basically show you. I'll just delete these two files, and you'd be like, okay, well, no, it's not working because I don't have whatever. So you do just Go, you do mod, and you do init. So initializing the first program. And I'm doing it wrong because I forgot something really important, which is what they need is a path. And a lot of people, or a lot of things, what they need is like an entire GitHub account. So I can give my GitHub account because this is my Discohook. Don't put HTTPS in there. So, and I press enter, and then there you go. It made a Go mod file. So the module is, it's nothing more than the module calling this name and saying which version of Go that I'm actually using, which is 1.17. Then you create your first file, which is called package main. You have to pay package main. It's like in Python, the same thing. If you want to have your function, you do init function, blah blah blah. You type all that in. In Go, it's just nothing more than just this. You declare it like this, and then you put your function main. Can only be one main in the entire project. And for some reason, my nose is like being stuffed. No idea why. So yeah, what I did then is what you do, because I deleted the mods as well, you need to go tidy a little bit of your code up. So go mod tidy. What it does, it makes a go sum file, which I think so. This is where it downloads. So this is the packages that it is using. So Cloud, Google, Go Storage. I believe the Cobra is using all these packages, because I do not, but it's using for their own project. What Go does is it downloads everything, all the version numbers and everything. And I believe this is the checksum for checking that. So once I've done that, let me delete this one. Move. Before I did that, I want to make the program a little bit dynamic, or basically too easy. I just want to like put everything into this file here and just create plenty of files of the websites that I want to scrape. So I tell the package import this cmd, which is this folder right here, and then my function basically knows like, okay, so this is the folder that I need to check in, and then use execute, which execute is in root. So once I have that, I can say like, okay, root, I can make root cmd, which is like points to Cobra, which I'm using. This is making it easier for me to put all my commands in here. And basically, if I execute it without anything, it basically prints out this and then exit. And now I am at CTF time, because for everything I can just make my own file every time. My first thing is for CTF time. The problem that I have right here, so I put everything. So I initialized it, so the Cobra knows that I'm initializing it. Gave it a name, and I told him, like, if you want to run it, you have to go to the CTF times event parser. Now, I got the event, so I put the string in here, and I say, like, okay, this is the website that you need to, like, keep in mind. Then I put the response for it. So http.get is a standard package from Go. So put the events here. So it basically will query this website. If I don't get anything or whatever, there's some type of error. So if there's some type of error, print the error. Now, the other thing is like, okay, you know what? The other problem that I most of the time have is like status codes. If it doesn't return 200, because the web page is like 200, like everything is fine, okay. So if everything below 100 and above 100, just say like, okay, what type of error do I get back so I can check that out. And then I will say like, okay, you know what? Grab everything. So there's some other things. You also have IO utils or util. And I always get like confused a little bit with Go here because of all the things that I have, but I preferably like to use IO. Because that's what the manual basically says. That's where I look at it, and I believe IO is also faster reading than IO util. And this is where I get a little bit stuck because I am wait, what? Give me a second. So where I'm getting stuck is that I'm actually getting a 403 back. So if I do go build, and I'm gonna use this. So if I go to this Go hook, enter, it says help, and I'm like, okay, help, okay, cool. And then it's like, okay, CTF time 1. It returns a 403. So I am wondering if that is true because I'm not sending a header. So let's see if I give it a header, which is respot. Damn it. Header. And I wonder if it's double checking. Oh, so it's first is creating a client, then it does that. Okay. And then it does the do. So I need to change this a little bit. So error, no error. Can I do this? Okay. Resp dot getting an error right here. Oh wait, no, that's because I need to do client. I need to first initialize the client instead of like getting the stuff. Okay. Is that correct? Why am I getting an error here? I need to build a client. Okay. Then I need to do the request get with the URL. Okay. Then I build the header. And then I do the request. Shouldn't be that difficult, but for some reason I am getting a error. Oh wait, because yeah, okay, I see it. Never mind, there's no error here. All right. This can be gone. This, remove it. Why am I getting a message here? Event declared but not used. Okay, no, never mind. That's fine. So. I'm gonna call this client as well. Because I don't have client in here, right? Just this. Yeah. Is declared but not being used. That's fine. Response. This is the error message, but I just like do whatever. Don't deal with the error message. Is gonna double check this. Oh yeah, HTTP dot new request. The method is get. The URL is events. And then the body is, what did I put here? Nil. Okay. Oh, damn it. Nil. Now the get isn't working because, of course, I need to put it in quotes. Okay. And then it does the error handling, but I removed the error handling. So I'm gonna copy this little part right here. So now I am building the header. Because he puts a request, but I made it respond header. Okay. Host. Okay, then I don't need that. What I need to do is go to my browser. F12. Click. Headers. Get. Where is my browser? Wait, what? Can I copy in? Oh, here, user agent. Shh. Copy. Yeah. User agent. String. I believe they did it like this, if I'm correct. Am I correct? Yes. Only thing is that I need to get the string like that. Okay. Save string, and I need to put this in quotes. So why is it giving me a message here? Missing a comma. Missing a comma, but ah, why the hell is it doing this? Oh yeah, is it not? Oh, of course. Stupid me. All right. Um. This blah 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 blah. Why is this giving me a status code of that? Okay, just remove this. Oh. Oh crap. Okay. Now. Okay, client, blah blah blah. New request, header. Just simple as this, hopefully. Do body. Error message gone. Do resp. Client. Okay. Okay. And then format print line string body. However, the body is not printable. So let's see what this does. Cannot convert body type to type string. Okay, not a problem. I'll remove that then. Go build. Oh fuck yeah! I get a 200. Nice. Okay. So, what I've learned so far from here is you need to first tell it that it needs to create a client. Once it has created a client, you can fix the request that it needs to make. Then you tell it to have headers, which is a user agent string, which I just copied from my own browser here. Once you have that, you can actually get the data. So I believe now that I have the body, I can remove this here. Wait, what? Where did that came from? Oh yeah, I see it. Never mind. Now that I have requested it, and do this, but it's not but it's now body status code. Is that true? Yeah. So everything that I need to do here is quickly change this to body. I believe that should be like a much easier thing going on. So it now checks my status code. If I don't have 200, it should go F itself. And it doesn't do anything perfectly. Because if I change this to, for example, status bad request, it will actually exit. Yeah, because it returned it 200. There you go. One mission solved, or hopefully. Anyway, yeah, I need to use the restroom quickly, and after I'm done, I'll be right back. Let's try to make this a thing that works. It doesn't have to be nice. So the thing is like everyone will be like, oh, but you're like reusing a lot of craps in your code and blah 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 blah. Like, yeah, that's fine if I reuse a lot of stuff in my code because it doesn't matter as of right now. First thing is like I need a working POC, and as soon as I have a working POC, we can always like make this nicer and better and make it a full-fledged product or something, or maybe we add some new functionality to it just to make everything simpler and better. Yeah, that's actually it. So as soon this is done, hopefully, let me blur for a second. Let me grab my Discord. There you go. I have way too many Discords. There you go. So I got my Discord right here. So as soon as I got that ready, it should like post in here the latest CTFs. So as soon as I have the CTFs and I know when it's coming out, I can just like, okay, do I want to participate it or not for that particular weekend? And we can just do CTFs online, which is amazing, to be honest. I like it. All right, I'll be right back. Need to use the restroom. All right, I'm back. Okay, got the body. Now I need to print out the stuff. So how do I print out again? So I got the 200. Okay. Got the cookie stuff. Block, false, map. Okay. Data is io dot read. Was it reader or read? Read all. Body. Buddy. I think it's his buddy. Request body. Okay, can I just... It already has a reader. Wait a minute. Is this doable? Go build. Nil. That doesn't look good. Right. Data is io read all body. Why doesn't that work? Hmm. I need to figure out why this is not reading. Let me double check this. Maybe. Wait. This is wrong as well. Data. Body.body. Let's try this. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh, wait. This match one variable. It returns two values. Two values? Oh, man. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, okay. I get it. Undeclared. Oh, you're actually declared. D. Wait, what? Why are you not working? Undeclared name. Oh, Jesus. Yep, I know what is wrong. There you go. This should work. Go builds. And I get everything in X. What the fuck? Oh, this is my first challenge. You got everything in hex. What does it actually say? Let's do Cyber Chef. Input X to ASCII. I get a lot of crap. Oh, this must be gzipped. What the fuck? Oh, okay. That's never good to see. Okay. So. Wait, I did response body, right? Yeah. I actually think this might be gzipped. So it's sending to me in a gzip format. Damn it. How am I gonna solve this one? Because I have no clue. Huh. First of all, I think I need to change body as well because response result or something. I don't know. Maybe this is a request. Let's change this all to request. Damn it. Request. Oh. Requests. And change it here. Request. And then this is basically response from the other side. And then, yeah, this makes it much better. Easier to read. Okay. Done. So response body. Now, go HTTP get gzip. Simple task, verify Golang HTTP client with an Elasticsearch cluster. It's compromising data on wire because in trials there was around 8 data compromised, blah, blah, blah. HTTP compression is enabled. Is that true, by the way? Source, wait, do I have it here? No. My nose is stuffed and I have no idea why. Headers. Get. Doesn't show. It doesn't show, but I think it is. Oh wait, I'm looking at the icon. Application, H, cookie, no sniff, CTF, get. Yeah, it is gzipped. Can I not just send it like deflate or something? Like automatically? Wait, can I just like put this in the header? Just copy this. Go away. If I put this in the header, encoding, send a string, which is deflate, and of course this has to be in quotes. I wonder if this works. It should be really stupid if this works. Because that will save me a lot of time. Go build. Oh, wait, because... What is happening? Go build. Oh, because I have D right here. Wait, that's right. Invalid memory address at nil pointer. What the? Okay, this is new for me because I have no clue what is going on here. But it looks like it's running something wrong in memory for some reason. I just needed the body. Huh. And if I remove this, does that work? Go build. Okay, so I cannot deflate it. Interesting. Okay, I guess I need to okay, so it is sending me in G. Actually, I can actually see the response as well. Oh no, I don't see the response headers. Okay, well, let's see what this guy's saying. All right. HTTP transport, maximum connections, blah, blah, okay. Above the is the client accept HTTP transport as well, the compression flag. Can I just like put in the compression? Here's how the HP client looks like with the compression enabled. Going further, going deeper, going to do everything. All right. Oh, is it just like this? And gzip reader and then whatever it is? Oh, can I just do that? I wonder. No, this makes it G is no gzip reader, it doesn't work. Oh, I wish it worked. Yeah, what? How to gzip compress an HP in Go. Okay, but that is in Go. Content encoding. Wait, I'm gonna try it one more time. By just doing this here, content encoding, and then deflate. Press header. Explain. Okay, move this. Gone, be demon. Content time is plain text. Just gonna be like this. And it's gonna be string. Oh. And why? Oh, that's because there's this. Plain text, and then I want to figure out if this works. String. Deflate. Ah, still. What else am I sending? CTF time. This feels like a CTF, to be honest. Why am I not getting headers here? Or is it just like... buffer, gzip. I just want to like unzip it. I want to create a get worker. Wait, how to HTTP go? Maybe I should just ask Google, because Google sometimes has different things. Reading gzip HTTP response. Okay. Invalid header. Okay. Client is new HTTP client. I got that. HTTP Stack Overflow is nil. Okay. Encoding is gzip. Response to requests. Defer. Right. I need to do the defer as well soon. Check the server that's actually sent the compressed. Okay, far reader, IO close reader, switch response header, content encoding in case. Ah, okay. The following will example manually handling compression if you don't have the. Check the actually sent compressed data. Do I have the body still open? That could be also a huge problem. Okay. Defer response. Open body. Close. Oh yeah, checking for errors. I need to do it after this here. Boop, done. So, to the client. It checks it for errors, and if I'm done, close it. I need to remove this here. Okay. Okay, so got that. And now we have reader, which is far reader. So reader is going to be IO closer, switch response, get content encoding is gzip error. IO copy. Yeah, I don't need this, I think. Okay. Copy the shit from the internet. Because that is cool. Alright. IO close, reader close. Wait, is that correct? Response, but I already closed it, so that shouldn't work. All right, so is undeclared because of this one here. Let's see. Response. The error because it's undeclared. Reader is that. And then I should have reader here. Fingers crossed if this works. Fuck. What the hell? FMT prints or dot response encoding. I just want to print it. Is that possible? I guess not. Why are you missing a declared X in compiler? Oh, that's because I always forget that for some reason. With the dynamic format string, no further arguments will be used as a string. F. The hell? Invalid memory address because I am messing this up. I'm a little bit lost why I get this. I believe it is actually gzip coming up. Okay, switch response header get content in case it's gzip else. Okay, what I can do is quickly see here and print gzip. Remove this one and remove this one. Okay. Default is fmt.print. What I put in here is default. It's saying default? What? It's not gzipped? Okay. Why do I get like hex code? Which is looks like data that I get. What the? What the? I am lost right now. Okay, for reader, read closure. Okay, go. to be get request returns hex values. I got that. Am I doing something other wrong? I do not know. Event dot find reader. What? Not use reader as type string in argument to print. Cannot reader very well. Wait, still not? Wait. What is reader then? Response body. Should work. Returns a memory address. That was this, if I'm correct. Fuck. Bar reader IO closer. I'm lost. I'm so lost right now. IO read closer. All right. There is so much chip tunes that I actually can handle. Do 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 do. Why is this not working? There we go. Just my luck again. Oh. This is new. Give me a second. It turns out that my Spotify just said like, nope, I'm not gonna work. Or oh, this is interesting. Oh, I see what is going on here. I was leaning on something. In which I didn't realize I had my elbow on my keyboard. Give me a second. I just had all the music and now it's all gone. What is happening? All right, this sounds good. All right. If there's anyone out there that is watching the stream and figures out like, okay, I know what you're doing wrong, please tell me, because I am a little bit lost. That I'm actually getting weird stuff, which I thought it was gzip, but it's not, and I'm not entirely sure what I'm downloading. Or technically I should just have this here. It doesn't look like it is what I think it is. Okay, I'll just do this quickly. And then resp body. And that returns that. That doesn't work. We have 1 byte. Wait. What if he is io dot read all response body. Let's try this. And then print fmtb print b. That's not gonna work because we cannot use God damn it. Okay, got it. I think I have it. And I think I know what I was doing wrong. Because I did not close. Let's see if this works. Go build. What? Huh? I thought... Huh? I didn't do anything wrong. Which first gave me crap that I couldn't work with. Well, at least this works. But what the there's nothing changed. I did the same thing, just read all, response body. And that's it. What the? Okay, well, I think I need this. Differ, I need to close the body. I think I need this. Let's defer. Go defer. Understanding, defer, and go. Go has many common control flow keywords found in any program languages as if, switch, for, etc. One keyword isn't found in the most programs is defer, and though it is less common, you quickly see how useful it can be in your programs. One of the primary use of the defer statement is to cleaning up resources such as open files, network connections, and data handles. Okay, that's what I've done. When your program is finished with these resources, it's important to close to them, avoid exhausting the program limits, and to allow other programs to access those resources. Defer makes it our code cleaner and less error prone by keeping the calls close, the file resource in a proximity to open calls. Okay, that's what I have done. Okay, so I have done all this. I close the body because it doesn't need anything. I clean it up. Then I read it. Basically, it gets me this crap back. But I think this one is really good as well because let's say if I have a website that is gzipped encoded or something goes wrong and it's gzipped encoded, then I can actually use this, but I don't need it because I'm only checking one website. However, let's keep this in. Okay. I'll just do this reader. And if I'm correct, this should work as well. Yeah. All right. Strange that now it's now working, and before that I just got like crap back. I didn't do much different, to be honest. I really did not do anything different. Okay. It works. So that isn't the most important thing that I have here. High school CTF challenge open to anyone, anywhere. Eligible rules exist for prizes. No thanks to our sponsors. Wolfram Research. On site, false. Oh yeah, that's something I need to check as well. If it's not on site, because if it's on site, it kind of sucks because I cannot do anything. Community Discord server is available here. Click on my Discord. Detailed breakdown of all procedures, rules, and context are available here. Okay. Now, let's do some little bit of a write-up. Kind of sucks that I have like I mentioned, I'm coding in such a way to make this thing work. So, what have I learned so far? We create the events, we create a client, we make or like do a request, we just set everything up that it needs to go to this particular website. We put in the headers, and as soon as we are done with setting things up, we'll do the client do, and it does the request to the website and get the information back from the website. If that is working, we go to the error coding. If I do not get a 200 or status OK back, print what I'm getting. So like, hey, this is messed up. I don't get a 200 back, but I get a 404 or whatever. Means if the website isn't working or anything else. You can do some error handling as well for a bot. So it can actually push it to our Discord. After that, we basically we're done with all the open stuff. We can close it. This is why we use defer. So it's not connecting to the internet anymore or whatever it does. We just gracefully disable everything. Then we grab we say far reader is IO read close. I believe we can also do it differently. But this is easier, which is we create a variable reader, which is IO closer. So we say that reader is, first we check if the response header is content encoding. If there's content encoding, that means most of the time we have a gzip or we have default, which is deflate or that. Then we go to, if it's gzipped, the content, we just say okay, well, gzip the newsreader, the response body. So just make it readable text to it and close the reader because we don't need the reader to be open. So that. If it's not, just say the reader is response body. So it's just plain text overall. So the reader actually points somewhere in memory where it is. This is why we got the address back. So we need to say okay, well, read everything from that address, which is the IO read all from that address. So we put that in B, and then we can actually put it into reading. And I messed up there. And yeah, now we have everything. And the next step would be to parse this all out for the information that we need. Get that, and once that has been parsed out, we can actually okay, we need the ID. So we have the ID of this here. Can I not make it nicer or something to read? I can do it here. That's not a big deal. Just collapse chiller. Oh no. Expand. All right. So we have an ID here, which the ID is kind of sucks. And sucks as in it's not whatever. So we need to save the IDs. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, it's a little bit nested. But that should not be one big of a deal. We only need a couple of things. We want to have the URL, which is interesting to know. We want to have maybe the logo for posting. Live feed, that should be interesting as well. When it started and finish. We need to have the, well, of course, the CTF URL. I think it's better to just click this CTF URL. CTF ID, so 725. It's the other one, also 725. What does the CTF ID mean? Or is that like Jeopardy and the other one? So format is Jeopardy. Format here. Restriction is open. Oh no, it's Jeopardy. So 725, 709, 541. Okay, so I'm not really clear what the CTF ID is, because both of them are Jeopardy but different IDs. It's better to go for this particular ID, which is also the event ID. So if I go, for example, to this copy value, the competition, the URL, future weight. It's an experimental CTF for just for reverse engineers. Oh, nice. Test your reverse engineer skills. System language with 24th century C, C++, Go, Rust, and Swift. Given only a binary and a interactive disassembly diff. How accurate you create the original source code. Come see how it. Oh, this is nice. Training weight 25. Starts in 1 hour. Oh, one runs 24 hours. Calling reverse engineer. Test your reverse engineering skills against the system language in the 21st century. Go, Rust, and Swift. Even Go on binary. You can create the original source code. Oh, that's fun. The candidate source code will be compiled with resulting binary and tested in assembly. The majority of your score will come for the intersection of union versus the target disassembler. How close can you get to the perfect reconstruct? Damn, that's heavy. Anyone with an internet connection and web browser can play. Access to a reverse engineering program may help. Helpful but isn't required. If you don't have any reverse software locally, check out Binary Cloud. Okay. Scoring your candidate source code will be compiled and result testing will be tested assembled. Score made up of 20% pass hidden. Perfect match. Bonus points. Nice. Our research is mainly exploratory. We're interested in following to see how reversers work as they go from nothing to fully equivalent source code. We're interested to see how fast it compiled this loop. Record your source code submission. We can follow the reverse engineering process. So don't upload anything private information in the source code. Not where. Ah, this is pretty cool. Actually starts in a couple hours. And then just for one day, Jesus. I just want to go sleep, right? I don't want to. That's cool. That's really cool. Well, these people just will participate. Heavy. Because these guys are really, really good at the things that they do, but I will get there. I will get there. All right. Yeah, so I need that ID because every ID comes like the new. Oh, every event comes with a new ID, so I only need to get the IDs. Where I get this, I have no clue. I have no clue why. Ah. So I only need a couple things that I want to post. This is just as simple as oh, close this a little bit. So it's a CTF URL. I want to figure out which format it is. So Jeopardy. So Jeopardy means that it's like a quest that you go through. It's like if you don't have, you cannot fix the, if you're stuck on one, you can just continue with the other one. I don't need that. Live feed, that might be interesting. I'm not entirely sure, but I guess people can just like click on the event itself and then just like see how the event goes. Logo, if I want to post any logos in there. I'm not sure if every one, yeah. Yeah, I need to figure out if it's whatever that is, so I need to figure out people's names and the start time when it goes and how long it goes for. Finished on the 12th at that time, and it starts at this time. Okay, that should be doable. I think I only need a couple things. What time is it? Okay, it's pretty late already. Okay, I got my first thing. Or thing. Hack 5 is also one. What? Yeah, okay, so this works. I'm gonna do a write-up for this. And what I'm gonna do now is, yeah, I'm gonna close the stream. It's gonna be like short streams or whatever this is. I learned a couple new things with Go, which is good. Which is really good. Yeah, it's just like, how do you say that? Think logical. And when it's logical, like, okay, like open a book. Like let's say like you want to start reading, right? It's like, okay, what do I need to do? Well, first I need to grab a book. Then if I have a book, I need to figure out what I'm reading. And then I have to open the book. And if the pages are stuck, I get an error. Like, okay, shit. Got some stucky pages in there. And if it's a different language, it's like, okay, shit, this is not the language I was looking for. But hey, we can translate it. And here we have the response body. So that's how you should look at it. So the next time when I have this in my mind, I can say like, okay, the next time I write this was like, okay, first I need to grab a book. And then I need to, or well, I can say I need to go to a library. I need to know what I want. I have to send my details to the library. And as soon as I am done, I can request the book. But the book has sticky pages, which sucks. So I close the book. Then once I'm done with closing the book, I can read it finally. But the book is in different language. So if it's in a different language, yeah, do whatever. But if it's default language, I can just read it. And then just read it all. And I'm done. Alright. It sounds silly, but that is a way for me to learn or remember the next time. Alright. I want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully you had a good time. I did. I learned something. Hopefully you learned something as well. See you next time. Bye.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.